It's Metro FM. The name is Wilson Binkosi. In the background, it's the music of Robert Sylvester Kelly. You saved me. It's time for Poetry in Motion. Wow, I just wish I could be able to present and be able to imitate the great Wilson Binkosi. It's World Radio Day, and as podcast radio and stuff, we are actually today taking time to celebrate World Radio Day by thinking about abantu esibathandayo ekuyibona benze sathanda umsakazo. There are many of them, and I'm sure you have seen many other videos from my colleagues in the industry who have been imitating abasakazi ababathandayo. Baningi abasakazi engibathandayo personally, but I chose today to think about the great Wilson Binkosi of Metro FM. Last year he celebrated 37 years in radio. He joined Metro FM 37 years ago, and it is not just any radio presenter who has so much staying power. So that is why I just want to say salute to Mr. Wilson Binkosi every Sundays on Metro FM 9 to 12 on Sounds and stuff like that. You know, when you listen to him and he takes you through his show, a well-researched show, a thorough show, and that is Wilson Binkosi for you, you know. And I'm reminded of the late Eddie Zondi, who also did wonders on Metro FM. He's one of the presenters that I loved. I'm reminded of people like Tibos Mukweli, who's with Kaya FM right now. He was also on Metro FM. He's part of the presenters that I grew up listening to, the likes of Ulinda Sbia, the likes of Lucky Sfatsa, the likes of Alex Mtiane, KSG, Just Ice Romahlala is with Radio 2000 right now, Glenn Lewis with Kaya FM, Makosi Koza, Patko Mafani. So those are some of the people, when we think about World Radio Day, because those are the people who inspired us to go into this medium called radio, and we love it, and we were bitten by the radio bug. And those people who have been bitten by the radio bug will tell you one thing: once the bug bites you, you just always want to be behind the mic. Hey, happy World Radio Day to all the radio lovers out there. Dogozo Chapa here of podcast radio and stuff.